This puzzle in microscopy was about 6 decades old. To solve this, we needed a better lens. Using beams of lights has its limits. In order to really see small things, we use beams of electrons. For decades, there was a problem. The images out from electron microscopes were about 100 times worse than their theoretical performance. Why were the images so out of focus? The problem itself was obvious, but the solution proposed in 1948 was just a theory. No one knew how to build the right corrector, a lens for electron beams. This was extremely motivating for me to take on this challenging old puzzle. It was after midnight in June 1997. We were working day and night because we were running out of money and time for our research. But that one night, we achieved a breakthrough. Got sharp image even down to 1.2 angstrom, about the size of an atom. Now we can really see atoms. We can see how they are moving and interacting with each other. This was a tremendous moment for science and a very big moment for me. We immediately applied for a patent and we established a company. Our correctors are today found in 90% of all transmission electron microscopes around the world, producing sharper images in the atomic range.